Hi, this is Tracy Manette of Clever Monkey Graphics, and I've got a neat little tip for you about moving things around on your layouts or your documents. That's much quicker than having to go over into your layers palette, clicking on the layer you want to go on into, and then moving things around. So let me go into a layout and just show you quickly how we do this. You're going to, let's say you want to move the letter M. Well, normally here's what you do. You go over to your layers palette, you click on it, you go move it. Oops, I have it all linked, so I would have to unlink it. I'm still going to have to unlink it with my new tip, but at least we're going to make part of that faster. So let me just put it back up. So let me select all three of these using the control and just clicking on them, and I'll hit the link button to unlink them. So here's a quicker way to move those around. Just go over the letter you want to move or the item you want to move and either hit the control or command key and go control, click, oops, oh my gosh, it didn't work, but you know why? I had 3 layers already selected, so just unselect off them. Now let's go over. You've already seen how to get out of a mistake that might confuse you now. So we want to select the letter M. Control or command click, and look, it highlighted, so that now I could move that over. Maybe I want to shift the whole title over here. Control click the U or command shift. Oops, I did that wrong. I control clicked it over here, and look what happens. You get your marching ants. So we're going to go control D to deselect. I needed to be over on the layout and go control click. It highlights. I can bring it over. Control click on the G and I can bring it over. And now I've just moved my title, but wow, now the schoolhouse is in the wrong way. So let's control or command click, and maybe I'll just shift it to there. I think you're probably getting the idea, and you're probably getting the idea of also some of the little oopsies you can make as you go, so that you can be aware that those things may be interfering with your ability to do things. So just make sure, as I said, that you don't have your layers linked together, or you will move everything. And sometimes that could be good. If I wanted to, let's say I linked all these together, and I want to move all these sequins at once. Well, I'm going to bet this sequin up here is part of that group. So control or command click. Oops, hold on. Pretend I don't have those selected. Control or command click. Now watch what happens. Even though I only have the one layer selected, everything that is linked is moving. So sometimes that can come in handy. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this, and that maybe for some of you, you learned something new. Thanks so much for watching.